Gender disappointment. The morning we were under a fire watch, I sent men through the shredder. I got a little milk dresser in my pocket. It gets dirty by morning. About me, I say acid. I say big, obviously. Work per sniffs. Be so bad, they have to have it. He stops me and says, "Stop me if you've heard this one." And he does. In public, me and my homie go all into it. The center admission, his tongue on my starburst like an automatic car wash, on the edge of a new minivan, on deck for a solid yell. He says, "I've got quite the talent." You wouldn't know it just by looking at me, but this body fucks real good. Like classic rock of 1971, like hearing classic rock of 1971 in 1971. Like summer, like something of a hunting party's dream bait. I got something you'd steal a horse for. Cowboy breakup poem. Now, no one's gonna write about you. That's it, and my best friend hates that. Like, who the fuck you are? Think you're gonna write a one-line poem?